Hey, so today we'll try to say Canon EOS 3000D. Okay, so I got it from online Flipkart, and the price is written as 29,000, but I got it around 15, 16,000, something like that, in Big Billion Days. Okay, so you will get a carry bag as well along with this box. Let me see what we have got inside. So we will have warranty card. This is some card. This is the booklet or the reference guide. Okay, this is one of the cheapest cameras you will find it on the web. Okay, so let me show you the camera. So this is the bag which I was talking about. It's a very good bag, it's a very handy. You will get this bag along with that camera when you buy it. So for opening it, we have a lock here. Okay, and then we have the zipper. Yes, so we have a zip here. You can put some stuffs here, and then there is a separator in between. Okay, where you can keep the camera, and on top of it you can keep the adapters and batteries and the charging cables, right? Okay, yeah, so this is the battery. You will get it along with the camera. This is the chargers. Okay, so you need to place it like this, and you can put it, and you can put it in charging. So whenever you're not using it, you can put it in your charging. Okay, so this belt, I think I got it separately, so I put it myself. It's very easy. You can check on the Google as well how to put it. So you can put it in the two sides, and you can just hold it in your neck or on your arms. Okay, so like whenever you rotate anti-clockwise, the lens will go out, and anti-clockwise will go inside, and it works vice versa as well. Okay, so this is the lens cover. You have to remove the lens cover for clicking it. Okay, let me try to put in the battery for you. Okay, so okay, so this is the button where the different modes are there. Okay, so since I'm starting it after a long time, it's asking me to set up the dates. Okay, so this is the mode. So if you want to view it using this lens, you can press this. So you will get a standard setting on the screen, and you have to view the picture whatever you are going to take using this lens. And if you want to press it, you can view the picture, whatever the picture you're going to take in the screen only. And there are different modes. Okay, here's the menu, and here's the different modes like portrait mode and other modes available here. And this is the zoom in and zoom out. Sorry, this is for zoom in, this is for zoom out, and different buttons are there. So this is the button which you can use for clicking a pic. So once it takes a focus, it will so autofocus is on, so you have to hold this for some time. So once the focus is taken, the camera will take a pic. Okay, so the picture is taken. So by clicking this, you can view the last picture, and you can plus and you can zoom in. You can see the quality of the picture, right? You can go up, you can go down, left and right. If you want to delete, you can delete as well if you didn't like the picture, right? Okay, so rest of the things I think you can explore yourself. I'm not a professional cameraman, so I cannot explain that much in details. Thank you.